One of the most important boat accessories is a boat trash can, and BagEZ makes throwing trash convenient and easy. BagEZ holds heavy bags securely, up to 55 pounds or 25 kilograms. And unlike other waste containers, you can change the size of your bin simply by changing the size of the bag you're using. And its large opening makes disposing of even large pizza boxes easy. You can also close your bag to stop any trash from falling out of your bag when cruising. Most boat waste containers need to be cleaned to remove any waste matter and liquid stuck to them. BagEZ gets rid of that pain. All you do is unclip the bag and throw it away. Here are a few specs. BagEZ is made of steel and is powder coated to withstand the elements and folds away to the size of a clothes hanger, making storage and carrying it around easy. From your boat to the beach, your canopy, dock, trailer, or car, use BagEZ to make waste management simple.